this video is the second in my little Google Classroom series. If you haven't already set up your class, go ahead and watch the previous one, but this is assuming you've already created your classroom. So to add students, what you're going to want to do is go over to People, and if we're in a situation like a closure and you can't write the code on the board and have the kids just type in the code, you'll go to Invite Students right here. Click that, and then you'll type in your student's name. Now I'm going to blur this out for the student's privacy. You can just type in their first name. If that doesn't show up, maybe try their first name and their last name. Then I'm going to select the student who's in my class, and then I'll invite them. And if you're in this menu and you see this, you can start typing other kids' names and select them so you have like a whole list going on up here. Okay. All right. Then once you have that, you'll click Invite. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student's perspective. Right now the student is gray because they haven't accepted the invitation. So I'll show you that right now. So right now, as I'm viewing this classroom, it's viewing it from my teacher point of view. If you want to see what it looks like from the student's end so you can give them directions, first to do that, like I have a student whose family has given me permission to use their account, and you could probably find a student in your family who will give you that permission. Sorry, there's an ambulance outside. Okay. All right, so to change Google accounts, you'll go up to this little icon in the corner, and right now this is linked to my teacher account, so I'll click there, and then I'm going to switch over to a student. If you haven't already done that, you can click Add a Person, put in the student's name, choose an icon. They already are a Chrome user, so you'll click right here. And then they'll type in their excuse me, their student email, which is their first name, the first letter of their last name, and then almost all of their student ID number. It's everything except for the 19 at the beginning, the @ symbol, and then stu.powayusd.com, and then that'll direct them to My Plan, and they can log in through My Plan, and then they'll want to link their data and blah, 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 blah. I'm just going to switch to the account I already have set up. Now, from the student perspective, if they go to Classroom, they just type in the word Classroom. They might see the first link right here is this one. If they see this, you want to click this blue button right here, this one that says Go to Classroom. And then they'll log in. And then they'll see up in here that they have been invited to a classroom. So they'll have to click Join right there. And it'll join, and then it'll take them to this. And this is what the classroom looks like from the student end. Right now in this demo class, there's not any assignments, but this is what it looks like. They don't have the capability to invite people like a teacher does. They don't have the ability to create work. They can complete work that's been assigned, but they can't add it like that. And then the stream will just show the things that you've most recently posted. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know.